Hello guys, this is your 11th 3ds Max class. So in this class we'll be learning about some plugins, additional plugins. So let's see. So these are the plugins that we are going to learn in this class, guys. I'll be providing these plugins in the folder itself. You can while you download this class, you will get these folders in the class 11 folder. So these are the five plugins that we'll learn in this class. Carpenter, floor generator, polygon design, poly design, roof generator, sweep profile. Okay. So now first we'll see what roof generator is. Just click on the roof generator. When you click on roof generator, you will have these five files. So first there is something called A tile setup. Just click on this, press on run as administrator, press yes. Now click on next. I accept terms. Now next, and it is telling to select the 3ds Max portfolio. So go to browse and just click where you have installed the thing. Go to this PC, program files, Autodesk, 3ds Max 22. That's all. Click on the 3ds Max 22. Go to program files, wherever that you have installed. Go to Autodesk and then just select on the folder 3ds Max 2022 and now click on OK. So see program file Autodesk 3ds Max 2022. Now just click on install. Finish. That's all guys. Now just come back to 3ds Max. Now before that we'll go to scripting. So uh, there is another thing in the roof generator. We have this plugin. So first we'll use this plugin and then come back to A types. So now go to 3ds Max. Now here you have a scripting. Just click on scripting. Like how in the previous class we run the script for copy paste objects. Like that same. Go to script. Click on script and there is a run script. Click on run script. Go to downloads. Class 11. Roof generator. Roof generator. You have MW roof generator. Click on this. Press open. Once you click on open, this dialog box will appear. This dialog box will appear. Now the thing is, let's create a rectangle. Go to shapes, create a rectangle like this. Just go to modify and adjust the length like 6 feet by 8 feet like this. Just give a proper dimension, proper length and width. Now just pick outline shape here. Just click on this rectangle and give a radius, angle. Just give the roof angle here. So as per standard, all the roof will be at a 30 degree slope. So give a 30 degree here and now just click on create. So like this, we have a roof. So like this, the roof is created, guys. Now the thing is, we have installed, go to create, you go to geometry. First, go to create and then go to geometry. Now remember that we have installed something like A tiles. This one. First we have installed this A tiles. And then we came to 3ds Max and under script we run this and through this we have made the roof shape. Now remember this, we have installed 8 times. So now again go to 3ds Max. Now under create, under geometry, select on standard primitives. Just 1 second guys. This should be here, the thing is should be available here. So we'll just reset this, close this, file, reset, don't say, yes. Now, okay guys, if the thing is not appearing here, that means we have to close the 3ds Max file and then we have to again open the 3ds Max file. Like that, if you do, if you click on here, at the bottom you will see AVS Studio Tools. So if the thing which you have installed, if that is not appearing here, then just close this 3ds Max and once again restart this 3ds Max. Then this thing will appear here. So now let's create that again. Press Alt plus W. Now go to scripting. Click on Run Script. To download roof generator. Click on MW roof generator. Open. Yes, make it here. And now go to shapes. Create a rectangle. Just make sure it has a perfect length and width. And now pick an outline shape. Just click on this. Set an angle as a default. Set 30°. Now let's click on create. So like this, we have created a roof. Now once we have installed the AI tiles, go to create, click on geometry, click on standard primitive. At the bottom we have the AV Studio Tools. Just click on this. Now click on A tiles. Once clicked on A tiles, go and turn on the snap power. Give a right click, make sure vertex is on, and then check endpoint and check midpoint. These three things should be on. Now close this. And now just okay guys, like this. Just click on AI tiles and just click at the corner. Automatically it will be snapped. Right corner. And then move to this corner. It will be snapped. When I come near to this, it will be automatically snapped. Just click on, now leave the click there. And then move till this thing. Till this thing. When I move here, till this thing. Stop it till here. Just move this angle to the this point and stop it here. Click. Now go to modify. Once you go to modify, you have parameters. Click on parameters. Just click on parameters. Now come down. You have something called tilt angle. As we have given a value here 30, give the same value 30. So it is being rotated. And now it is showing 90°, 90°. So cut start should be 45 degree. If we are giving 30 degrees slope, then the angle will be almost 45 degree. The cut angle start and end should be 45 degree. So click on 45. So that side it is cutted, and now here also click on 45. This is also cutted like this, and then come down. Here we have select main thing. You will have select main. Just click on select main and just select any one thing. For now, we'll select roof tiles one. Just click on roof tiles one. So we got something like this. Now again go to advanced properties. It has a huge size, so click on advanced properties. Here you have something like element level. Just reduce it to like zero point 0.5. So you have to reduce it to zero point 0.2 like this, or else keep it zero point 0.1 like this, guys. So like this, we have got a roof tile over that roof. So keep it at zero point 0.1. Now close this, close the current. That's all. Now again go to create, click on A tiles and once again drag it. Just click at the corner and leave the click here and move it till here. Just come to midpoint and move it till here like this. Again click here, just click on here tiles. Now click here and drag and leave it here. Now move upwards, click here. The tilt angle is changed guys. So make it 30. So close this so that it won't change. Now again click on AI tiles. Just click here and drag and leave the click and now move it till this point and change the tilt angle to 30 like this. Like this guys. So try this out guys. Just once first install this AI tiles. First install this AI tiles and then after installing open the 3ds map. Then go to scripting and click on run script and choose this MW roof generator. Then create a rectangle and just pick the rectangle and create a roof slope. And then go to geometry and click on AV Studio and then start creating a roof like this. Till here, try this out, guys. So after a few minutes, we will continue with the next plugin. Till here, try this out, guys. Thank you. Okay, guys. Now let's continue with the next thing. So now we'll learn about floor generator. So just close this, just minimize it. See here we have something. Next plugin is flow generator. So already I have provided this view. Just click on this, double click on this. We have several files. So just make sure which version of 3ds Max software that you have installed. For now, I am using 3ds Max 2022. So I will copy this file and just paste this to the file location where I have installed my 3ds Max. Into that plugin files, I will paste this. So if you are using 3ds Max 2023 or 3ds Max 2024, just copy that particular file and just place it in 3ds Max installation location under the plugins folder. So now let's see. I am using 2022. I click on copy and now I go to program files, Autodesk, 3ds Max 2022. Here, just search where plugin is. This under the program files, go to Autodesk and then go to 3ds Max 22. If you have installed this 3ds Max software in somewhere, any other drive other than program file, then just make sure where you have installed the 3ds Max file. Go to 3ds Max that file and just search for plugins. Just click on plugins and now right click and paste. Continue. Now come there. Now open your 3ds Max file. Now before that, just make sure that the plugin is appeared here or not. If it is not appeared, then just close the 3ds Max file and restart it again so that it will appear. So now let's create a plane to start doing the floor generator thing. Click here and go to modify. Just reduce this segments to 1 to 1. Just make sure the segments are 1 by 1. And now just make a size like 10 feet. Okay, keep it like 6 feet and make it like 8 feet, like this. Now go to modify layers and just press F for floor generator. Now see guys, I don't have that floor generator here. So that means I have to restart this. So I will save till here, Control plus S, and now I will close this. Now again, I am restarting this. Now click on this, go to modify. Now press F. Now the floor generator is appeared. See, before once I installed, this was not here. Now once I have installed the, now I have once I have restarted this 3ds Max file. Now the thing plugin is appearing. Just click on floor generator. Once you click on floor generator, these are the things that you have to modify. So these are the things that is available under the floor generator. So only click on floor patterns and board size. First, just change this to herringbone. So now you have floor pattern. Just click on this is a standard. Now click on herringbone. Now the size is there, board size. Now reduce this board size. Like this. So like this something will appear. Now just delete this. Now again, let's create a plane like this. Go to modify, click on F floor generator. Now just change this to basket view. Now change the size. Let's keep it 1 feet. So see guys, if you change the option, just if you change the pattern, something like this we are getting. Now change the group size. If you want group size, let it be like this or like this. Let's keep it like this. Extrude height. You have extrude height here. So like this we can extrude. If we want to see, if we want to use this in outdoor landscape floor, so that we can give an extrude value like this. If we want this floor to use in the interior, then just reduce the extrude height like this. So it will look like a wooden flooring. If you increase, it will look like a outdoor landscape flooring like that. Bevel. See, we can also reduce and change the bevel. Keep it like this. And if we reduce the groove and if we reduce the extrude, now it looks like a wooden flooring. This looks like a wooden flooring. To make it like an outdoor landscape flooring, just increase the groove size and then extrude it and increase the bevel. Like this, we can see something like paving kind of thing. So like this guys. Now let's try some another option called hexagon. Just click on hexagon. See, shape is changed. Now again, go to modify, just decrease the radius like this. And now groove size, reduce it like this. And extrude, reduce it. If you increase it, it looks like a paver tiles. If you reduce it, it looks like a floor tiles. And reduce the bevel and even reduce the groove. So now it looks like a something wall tiles on the kitchen area. Like on the kitchen walls, we might have tiles like this, or even at the floors, we can have tiles like this. So it looks like a floor tiles. If you increase the bevel and groove and extrude it, it looks like a bevel. Increasing it, even bevel, and now increasing the extrusion. Now it looks like a pavers. So like this we can make. Okay. Now next thing what we have, we saw basket weave, we saw hexagon, we saw now we'll see chevron. So chevron, it has some problem with. So leave the chevron. Now come to standard. So as a standard, we have things like this. It's a standard maximum length. So we can just have tiles like this. Let's make it as 1 feet. And now spread. Spread. You can't see anything. Maximum width. Okay. So like this, we can create tiles like this in a standard thing. So if you offset this minimum offset. If you change this, if you reduce it to zero, it will look like normal floor tiles. If you change it, it looks like this. So like this, you can change it. So let's keep it like this. Again, extrude. We have a bevel option also. If you want to have a landscape kind of paving like this, you can give a group. If you want it to be like floor tiles, reduce it and reduce the size and even reduce the view. Like this, we can have a floor. If you increase all these things, then it will look like a landscape paver. Like this. If you keep it like this, it looks like a landscape paver. So in the floor pattern, we saw what standard, we saw basket weave, hexagon, chevron. It won't work. It will hang the file and it will cost to close the file. So leave the chevron and see herringbone like this. Herringbone is something like a diagonal thing. We can change the width. If we increase, something happens like Harrington. Just keep it like this and change the width 2 feet and make it like a 6 inch and then groove size, reduce the groove size, parallel boards. See, let's keep it as a 4 extrude bevel. Now reduce the extrude. See guys, it looks like a wooden tile, wooden floor tile. Now it is looks like a wooden floor tile. Now if we increase the extrude and increase the bevel and increase the groove like this, it looks like a landscape view. So that's all guys. Just try this out. Just now try this out how this floor generator works like that. So take few minutes, pause this video and try this flow generator plugin and we'll continue in the few minutes guys. Thank you. Okay guys, now let's continue. And now let's see the next plugin called Copyton. Now let's see what Copyton is. Okay, so now just move this side and now see here I have provided this Copyton folder for you. Just click on this. So you have this thing Z of the tool Copyton. So this is the thing which we are going to use now. So just uh, open your 3ds Max, go to scripting, like how we already did it previous for copy paste objects and another. In this class, we learned that MW, that's something, uh, MW something kind of tool for creating that roof thing. Now, for that, we installed it using scripting. So like that, now again, we'll start using this copyter from scripting. Just click on scripting and then click on run script. Once click on run script, go to that file where you have that thing. Just click on copyter. So now you have this Z of T tools copyter. Just click on this and now click on open. So now once you have done that, go to customize. Just go to customize. Under customize, click on customize user interface. Now click on customize user interface. Now go to uh, toolbars. Just click on toolbars. You have main UI, let it be like that. And under the category, just click on copyters. That Z of T tools. That which now we install. Here it is. So go to category. Now click that copyter tool. That is Z of T tools. Just click on this Z of T tools. Once clicked on that, just click new here to create a toolbar. So under toolbar, under category, just select the Z of the tools, and then once done this, let's click on new and name it as a copyter. Okay. So once you click on new and name it, just give a name. Something here it is appeared. Just drag this and locate it here, or just keep for now. Keep it here. So now just click on this and drag this and paste it here. Just leave this there. So now we created this as a tool. See, this one is called tools. This one, this complete set is called tools. And if you click on quads, these, when you give a right click, these are called quads. These things are called quads. So these are the toolbars. So now we have, by clicking a new, we created one toolbar and we just drag this and put it here. Now just click on save and now save it. Press save. That's all. Now close this. Now we have this separate tool as a copyter. Let's place this here. Okay, now we have placed this tool here. Now let's see what copyter is. Just go to create and let's create one box like this. And now click on copyter. Once you click on copyter, uh, a dialog box like this will appear. A dialog box like this will appear. So this shows the copy one. So this is the meaning of copyter. See, just click this and press on copy one. So this thing is copied here. Now click this and move it. Now again press on this. It will appear here. Now click this and move it. And again click on them. Again this thing appears. So this is the meaning of copyter. So once you have copied this object and you move this object and move it anywhere, but still if you go and click on this, this will come to the location. It will create a copy from where on the same location where did you copy that. It will place the objects, it will place the same object at the same location where you copied them. So that is what copyter means. Now let's create another object. object like cone. Okay. Now just select this and make it as a copy tool. Okay. Now I'm deleting this and pressing this. See, it has come. Just move this. Press again here. It has come. Just move this. Press. It has come. Move this. Press here. Again. Move this. Press this. Again. So this is what copy tree does. So uh, this is the meaning of copy tree, guys. It just once if you click on a copy, just select any object. And now if I select this object and give a copy in the same thing, yeah. Now it has copied this one. Now I delete this, delete this, delete this. Again, if I click, here is what I copied here. So it is updated. This object is now copied in this option. If I click this one and click copy here, so this one is copied now. This won't appear or delete it if I just move this and paste this. So this will be copied like that. Now if I click the whole thing and make a group, okay. And now instead of this cone, I am replacing this object. So click on copy. So this object is replaced. Now I'm just moving this object now. I'm pressing again on here. So it creates a copy. So this is what copy tree is, guys. So just try this out, guys. Just try this copy tree option now, and let's continue with the next plugin in few minutes. So till that, try this copy tree option, guys. Thank you. Okay, guys, now let's continue with the class. So now we'll learn the next plugin that is called sweep profile. So already we have saw a sweep thing in 3ds Max itself, the built-in sweep like this one. So when we draft a rectangle, if we give a sweep thing, so this thing will appear built-in section, or else we can use a custom section. So now we'll install one sweep plugin in which it already has built-in kind of profiles for cornice, for interior ceiling, and for other cornice things like which will come in the classical architecture for like outdoors like that. So we'll learn that command. So here the folder is sweep profile. I have already provided this folder for you. Just click on this. You will have KStudio scripts. Just click on this, or else open this and just minimize this like this. Okay, just click this and drag here and leave it. Now let's minimize this. You will this dialog box will appear now. Just click on install. Setup is successful. Okay. Once you have done this, automatically this custom user interface will appear. Like how we used to go to customize and then click on custom user interface. That option directly appears here. Just click on toolbars and here find that case studio. Like previously we found Z of T. Now go and find that case studio. Here the case studio is. Just click on this. Once you click on case studio, these things will appear. So now the thing is we want to find this sweep profile here. This thing we have to find. So now again click new here. Click sweep profile. Type sweep profile here. Okay. So this thing is appeared here. Now drag it and keep it here. Then click this sweep and drag it and paste it here. That's all. Now save it. Save. Yes. Okay. That's all. Close this. Now just take it and place it next to the copy text. Okay guys. Now come. Let's create a rectangle like this. Now click on this. Once you click on this, a dialog box appears like this. So here we have different types of this cornice profiles. So just click on any one. Like now I'm clicking on 0. Once I clicked here, a profile is applied over here. See guys, like this, we can have a profile running on the interior room. Like we have a interior room like this. So we can have a profile, cornice profile like this. If you want to change, just click on this. Thing is changed like this. We can also change the values from here. If you want to increase the length, increase it. Or want to decrease it, like it is keep on increasing. Just click on down to decrease it like this. 1 feet, or else just give a 6 inch, type 6 inch here. So 6 inch width, type 6 inch again. So it is 6 feet, 6 inch by 6 inch. And profile interpolation. Just see what is this. It is like something smoothness kind of thing. Profile path. Okay. Leave it as it is. Things. We can also change it by locking one thing. We can also set it by locking it. Just unlock this so that we can set a value by 6 inch by 6 inch. So we can make it a 6 inch by 6 inch. Custom, like a custom thing. And another thing is go to modify. You can also edit it here. It is already in use custom section. So in sweep parameters, you can also edit it here. Like just click on mirror, it will change. Click on this, like this, it will change. So like this also we can use it from this sweep profile plugin. Now let's create another rectangle like this. Or else we'll create direct a line if we have something like exterior facade like this. Like this, if you have exterior profile, exterior facade. Now, if you want to give a like classical architecture style, now just go to profile and click on 4. See, once I clicked on 4, this 4th option is applied here. And just unlock this so that we can change however that we want. Let's try to give more values like this. Let's see, we'll give it option like 6 feet and make it as a 1 feet thickness. And now it is applied inside, but we want it to be appeared on outside. We want this design to come outside. For that, we have to go to modify. So it is already in custom section. Now we can just mirror this. See, like this, you can change it. XY plane. So we can bring it to bottom like this. So like this, we can create a kind of profile on the exterior facade. So these are the profiles which we can use. So just try this out, guys. Just try this out. This is one plugin called Sweep Profile. Just try install it by just clicking on Case Studio, drag insert the screen, and then click on install, and then just the customized user interface will be appear. From that, click on Case Studio under the categories, then create new tool and drag that sweep profile to that tool and make it like this. And then you can just create lines or rectangle and apply this. You can edit from it here. That's all, guys. Just close this and till here, just try this plugin out. We'll continue the final part of this class in few minutes. Thank you, guys. Okay, guys, now let's continue with the class. Now we'll learn the fifth plugin called Polyclaw. So that's the fifth plugin of this class. This is the last plugin that we are going to learn in this class. So now just move this towards that side. So see, this is the we saw copyter, floor generator, roof generator, sweep profile. Now this is the plugin which I have provided for you in this folder. Just open this. You will have a separate things for each version. So I'm using 2022. So I'll just have to copy this and have to go to the folder where I have installed it, like how we already did for the previous thing. Go to 3ds Max, and in here we have to find plugin for uh, floor generator. We did know like that same. We have to do this as well. For this also we have to do this same thing. Now paste it, continue. So that's all. Now come back. Now you at the bottom you have this thing, right? So just click this and drag it inside here. Now Now click on OK. Once you clicked on OK, then let's go to customize. Go to customize, click on customize user interface, and here we'll change in the toolbars under the categories. Now we have to find poly design. Here the poly design is. Just click on this poly design. We have polycloth brush tool. Now again click on new. Just give polycloth. Okay. Now drag it here and again drag this and paste it here. That's all. Now save it. Yes. And close this. Now go to create and let's create a plane first. Let's create a plane like this and let's move it a little bit upward. And now click on this. Okay, guys. If it's showing like that, to replace the file or to restart it. Okay, guys. Now thing is we have to replace copy. And again open this. Now just click on this and press on cloth brush. So once installing this, just if that shows that to replace that file, go and replace that file in the installation plugin location, and then just restart like this. So it will display. Now just click on Start Cloth Brush. Now we have something like this. Just click here. Okay, guys. Delete this and now create a plane. Create a plane. Move it upwards. Go to modify. Make sure you give a number of like 100. Segment should be maximum. Okay. Now click on Start. Now just press this. Can you see the difference? Before we had a segment of 4 by 4, but now we increase the segment to 100 by 100. Now see, we can give a realistic cloth effect to it, like a bedsheet kind of effect. However that we want, we can do it like that. See, like this, we can move it upwards, downwards, like this. Like this, we can create an interesting, like a realistic kind of effect for bed sheets. Not only that, now let's try it with another shape like box. Let's create it like this and move it upwards. Now click Start Brush Tool. Okay, again same mistake, guys. We have to give just delete this, create a box. We have to. This is important, guys. We have to increase the segment. Like we should give 100, like this. Okay, now click on start. Now let's see. See, like this we can get something different kinds of effects. We can also increase this. I can change this like iterations like 40, move strength like 7, gravity pressure. Now let's see. So the effect is little bit different from before. Like let's keep it like this. And now try. Let's create another shape. Let's create a pyramid and make a segment 100, 100, 100. Let's turn on the edge faces and now see, now increase like this. And now click on this. Okay, guys. This thing is working in only box kind and plain kind of thing. Other shapes like cylinder and all, it is just creating something error. So we'll create something like this bedsheet kind of thing. So for bedsheet kind of thing, this looks good. So not only like that, let's see. We can create another plane, and now we'll rotate this. Okay. Now click here and just make it like a curtain kind of thing. See guys, like this we can create a curtains also. So this is the plugin called cloth brush, polycloth. So just try this out, guys. So for this class, that's all for this class, guys. We learned five plugins. So just try this all the plugins, and we'll see in the next class, guys. So till here, practice all these things. Okay, guys. Thank you.